Hello students, today let us study chapter 2 keyboard. In the previous chapter we had learned about mouse and the different functions of mouse. Today let us study about keyboard. In this lesson we will learn about one more input device which is used to input text. When you have to give the text as input, we use this keyboard, that is the input device. The computer keyboard evolved from the typewriter introduced by Christopher Latham Sholes in 1868. So the computer keyboard was introduced in 1868 from typewriter. First they were using typewriter. From typewriter to it has been evolved to keyboard in the year 1868. Have you ever wondered why the letters are not in alphabetical order in the keyboard? The original design of keyboard has the keys in alphabetical order in two rows. But when two common letters, example ST, next to each other were pressed one after the other frequently, the keys would get stuck. So this means, so when there was S and T next to next, when you used to type after it, the keys used to stuck. So these were jumbled up. Next, QWERTY keyboard. Sholes came with a different arrangement of keys to type more efficiently, and this was named QWERTY keyboard. The name QWERTY comes from the first 6 letters of the first row of the standard keyboard. Let us see, here you can see these. The first row's first 6 letters. So how to use a keyboard? Keyboard allows us to input text and commands to the computer using letters, numbers and other symbols. So using this keyboard we can input a text. It can be a number, symbol, any letters. Most desktop computer keyboards are connected to the computer using either USB or Bluetooth for wireless communication. So these keyboards are connected to your computers either by wired or by using Bluetooth if it is a wireless technology. A PC keyboard consists of 6 rows of keys. The number of keys varies on different models. The most commonly used Windows keyboard has 104 keys. US traditional keyboard has 101 keys. So the keyboard which you are using, Windows Explorer, has 104 keys, and the US people, they use 101 keys. What is a key? A key is a single button on the keyboard. So a button which you press, that is a key. It may be a letter, number, function and symbols are represented on keys. So it can be anything. Types of keys. The keys in the keyboard can be broadly classified into alphabet keys, numeric keys, special character keys, cursor keys, function keys, special keys. So these keys are classified into these 6 types. Let us see one by one. Alphabet key. There are 26 alphabet keys. The keys that are marked with English alphabets from A to Z are called alphabet keys. So in your English alphabets there are 26 alphabets. So all these 26 alphabets on your keyboard from A to Z are called alphabet keys. They can type alphabet in capitals in 2 ways. So you can type the capital letter in 2 ways. By pressing shift key and the letter, you have to hold on the shift button and key and the letter which you want, or press the caps lock key on and type the letter. So you will have a caps lock key. Just press once, it will be on and you can type the letter. It will be printed in capital letter. But in the first case, you have to hold shift and then keep pressing it and then press the letter. Simultaneously, you have to press the letter also. Next, numeric keys. The keys marked with numbers 0 to 9 are called numeric keys. So, in your keyboard there are 0 to 9 numbers. These keys are called as number keys. The number keys are also placed at the right side of the keyboard, known as numeric keypad. So, here you will also have at the right side. It is known as numeric keypad. This one. Numeric keys are also used to type special symbols by pressing the shift key. So when you press the shift key, with the numbers you will have a special characters on upside. So on pressing the shift key and press the number, you can print the or input the special characters. For example, if you press shift key and 1, the exclamation mark will be typed. So this exclamation type mark will be typed when you press shift plus 1. So next, special character keys. Apart from numeric keys, there are few more keys which are used to type special characters like brackets. So you have 0 to 9 on the button, on the numeric button, special characters. Other than that, you have these many special characters. The flower brackets, square brackets, greater than, lesser than, question mark, and many more. Next, cursor key. Cursor keys are used to move the cursor on the page. They are also called as navigation key. So this cursor key is also called as navigation key. They are used for moving any object on your page. Arrow key is to move the cursor step up, down, right, left. So this one is your arrow keys. Next, page up, page down keys to move the cursor on one page up or down. So here you have page up, page down button that is used for moving one page up or down. Home and end keys to move the cursor to the beginning or ending of the line or the file on the page, the first line of your page or the ending line of the page. It is used for the buttons are used are home and end keys. Next, function keys. Function keys are keys which are marked with F1, F2, so on up to F12 and are placed at the top rows of the keyboard. They are used to perform special functions for different applications. So the function keys are F1 to F12 and they are placed at the top of the keyboard. They are used to perform special function for different application. For example, pressing F5 will reload the web page in your browser. So when you press F5, it will be refreshed, that is, it will reload your web browser. Next, special keys. Apart from the above, there are some special keys which are used for specific purpose and commands. So let us see what are they. Alt, Control. These keys are used in combination with other keys to execute different commands. So these are used with when you press Alt and any key, Control any key. So they are used with the combination with other keys. For example, Control plus S will save a file. When you press Control and S button, S key, the file will be saved. Alt plus Tab will allow you to switch to different window. When you have to move to different window, we press Alt plus Tab. Shift is used to type capital letters and symbols. Shift plus X will type the capital letter X. Shift plus 1 will type the exclamation mark. Enter keys. It is used to send the cursor to the next line or execute a command. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. There are two enter keys in your keyboard. Spacebar. It is a longest key in the keyboard. It is used to give a single empty space to separate the words in a sentence. When you want a space between the words, just one click will have one space. It is the longest key in your keyboard. Backspace is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor position. So when you want to delete something here, if the cursor is here and when you press this back button, O will be deleted, only T remains. Delete. It is used to delete the character of the right of the cursor position. It is also used to delete the selected item on the screen. So when you select something, when you select entire page and press on the delete button, the whole page will be empty, all will be deleted. Tab is used to move the cursor 5 space to the right. So this space bar will give a single space. This tab key will give 5 spaces. Caps lock. It is used to type the alphabet in capital letter. Num lock. It is used to enable or disable numeric pad in the keyboard. If the num lock is on, you can use the numeric pad like a calculator. If num lock is off, they act as a cursor keys to move the cursor on the screen. Escape button is used to cancel a command or action. It is found on the top left corner of the computer. This one, see here, this button is the escape button. Windows key is used to open the start menu. When you want to open, here you will find this button. Thank you, students.